Hey guys, happy new month. I wish you all a prosperous month ahead. So, just like I said in my last content, I'll be talking to you guys about antibiotics. Antibiotics are what? They are drugs that are used to treat bacterial infections. You understand? So, any disease condition that is not bacteria oriented or that is not caused by a bacteria, you should not use antibiotics for it. And how do you know that an infection is as a result of bacteria? You do a test. You understand? So many of the conditions that we see, in fact, most of the skin conditions that we see, they are majorly, fungal infections. So if you use the antibacterial for a fungal infections, eventually it might look like it's subsiding, but eventually it will still come back. You understand? That's why you need to do a proper test before you use antibiotics, and you are not to administer antibiotics by yourself. Many of us are fond of doing that. In fact, any small thing, malaria, antibiotics. Even if you are using anti-malaria, you will still add antibiotics to it. It's very bad. You understand? If it's malaria, you've done tests and you are sure they have confirmed that it's malaria that is worrying you, just take anti-malaria and that's all. You don't necessarily have to combine antibiotics to it. No, you understand? So the only case or condition in which you use antibiotics is when it is confirmed that you have a bacterial infection. You understand? So I want you to pass this message to your friends and families that using antibiotics without doctor's prescription or a pharmacist's prescription is wrong. What you are doing to yourself is, over time, these antibiotics that you use, that you even use them without completing the dose, your body gets resistance to them. So over time, those kind of antibiotics, they don't work for you again. So you have to go for the higher ones, the bigger ones, the more expensive ones, which is very bad. You're just, giving yourself reasons to spend more money. So I want to advise you, I want to urge you to stop using antibiotics without doctor's prescription. If you have a cough and you feel like you've used cough syrup and the cough is not going, go to the hospital, let them take your sputum, then they do analysis on it, then you can ascertain that okay, this is a result of bacteria before you start using antibiotics. So in all, what I'm trying to tell you is stay safe, stop the usage of antibiotics just anyhow, and again, live healthy, eat good food, you know, take water a lot. Those things help the body system. Thank you. See you next time.